Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and the mailman continues to bring items I bought on sale from Aliexpress when they had a big sale not too long ago. Opening this one first because it came first, and I'm always so careful because I have cut things in the past. Let's see what I did get. Oh, eye chips. I love these. I like these. These might be my favorite. The rainbow eyes. And I like to put eye chips a lot of times, the same eye chips on 3 of the forward, left, and right holes of the mechanism, and then put a 4th something else in there. I love these. They're so pretty. They're just whimsical. You know, I love whimsical. So I got those. And let's see what else I got. If you do not shop on Aliexpress, I understand, but you're missing out. I got those eye chips. Oh, wait to see what this is. I got those eye chips pretty doggone cheap. They were on clearance, I think, not clearance, on sale. I think I got 12 sets for $3.09. And if you figure that out per pair, that's pretty cheap. I bought these for an event coming up to make something for Blythe. Oh, they are cute too. Oh gosh, I love these little dice. I love little dice anyway. We play games. And sometimes I pull out different whimsical dice to play with. I'm real excited about those. Might need to order another package of those for several reasons. Okay, sometimes you wait so long for the packages to come, you honestly forget what you ordered, and you know, that makes it fun. I've been ordering dolls for customs and gifts. I've got some gifts in mind, and I absolutely love this doll. This may be the 5th or 6th one I've ordered like her. I just customized one, named her Peaches. I have 2 others, Pumpkin and Jackie. And then this one has a purpose. Oh God, she's beautiful. Actually, I had bought this one to become, oh, the hair is not as thick. I am noticing the hair is thinner lately on these dolls. It's not thin. It's still thicker than most people. I mean, that, you're gonna take a hair tie and go around that twice. But I'll tell you, it was getting to the point where twice was gonna be tight. This is normal hair, and it's thick and nice and beautiful and long, and oh, I love the hair. Okay, if you don't know about Blythe dolls, they have a pull cord in the back. You hold their head. I usually hold my fingers on either side. Pull gently but firmly downward, and their eyes change color and direction. There are 2 forwards. Uh-oh. Nope, she's fine. She's just kind of twisted in there. What a cutie. Oh, I love these melon-haired dolls. Love those melon-haired dolls. I'll put her back in the box in a minute, because if I don't, you know, I buy gifts for people, and I buy them to customize, and if I look at them too long, I fall in love with them, and they kind of stay that way. I've had to buy the same doll more than once just because I didn't want to customize it, because I kind of like the way it is. When I first got into Blythe, I did not like the shiny faces. I did not like the downward look. Now I do. That's how Blythe is. If you look at a Kinder Blythe, they have the shiny face, no eyebrows, and their head is down. That's how they were originally made. I also very much enjoy the matted face, or the custom face with the neck joint. And we just started experimenting with neck joints, and I like it. Oh good, I got more of this fabric. Can you see that, or do I need to pull it out? It's Elvira Morticia, Lily Munster, and, oh, what is Miriam's name? What was her? Vampira. I love that, and it's a repeat. I love that fabric. Love, 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 love this fabric. I have some other fabric coming in feather print. I'm hoping this is it, but I bet it's not. It's not. But I'm not disappointed because I love this too. Ooh, that's different. That's a different gray than the original one. This is a Wednesday Addams print. I absolutely love this. It's a different gray though. That's going to be harder to match. It doesn't match my gray that I have, but I can use black for my other color. Okay, and this should be more eye chips. Blythe dolls, if you don't have one, if you do, you probably already know this. There's so much an adult collector can do with a Blythe doll. You know, you can just love them and dress them and change their eyes, you know, in the back with pull string, or you can customize them, change the face, change the eyes. You can make clothes for them, whether you sew, knit, or crochet, or whatever. They just have an unending possibility of crafting, and they're so whimsical. You can about get away with anything. I hate these bags. I love them and I hate them. You know what? I'm going to cut this in about, there we go. I was just ready to say 3, 2, 1 and reach for the scissors. These are more eyeballs. I was saying I like the brown for Wednesday Addams. Wednesday Addams has brown eyes, or did in the original. Here's what I like to do. If I'm doing a custom doll and I'm doing 3, say, blue eyes the same direction, or the same in the mechanism, I would take, for instance, these, and I'd do a forward, left, right, and then I'd do the other forward in this blue or another blue. Or I might leave the original blue in there because I don't hate those blue eyes. I like them very much. So that's what I got today. I'm still expecting the mailman to bring more, so stand by. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.